she says. I wish that I could be like the cool kids, 'cause all the cool kids, they seem to fit in. I wish that I could be like the cool kids, 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 like the cool kids.
So this is Fable. Is he powered by, I heard her say something about Bluetooth or...
Right. So right now we're using the camera on the computer to detect motion, and if you dance for him, then he dances for you. So the code is being sent through the Bluetooth dongle to each of these modules. Each module connects to the dongle. There's no wires or anything. So as long as you match the colors, then you're connected.
Oh, wow.
So really easy for students to build a robot and get going. Since there's no wiring, just snaps together magnetically. And then one of the things we like to do, especially in elementary school, for social emotional learning, is we have kids write a story about their feelings. So for example, if a kid's being bullied, they could write a story about that, and then they can use the robot as an actor to express how they're feeling. So he has multiple different expressions that you can program into him.
He's sad right now.
Yeah, he's sad because nobody's dancing for him. So as soon as somebody walks by and it detects that motion, he'll perk up and start dancing.
So what if I stand right here and dance?
Yeah.
Can he see me? Can he?
Yeah, so as long as you're in front of that camera there.
He's
happy.
Oh, that's neat. Oh, cool. Let me step out of the camera. Oh, that's neat. So I have to do a two-part video on this. Well, I'll just do a two-part, then combine it in one video and post it on my YouTube channel. Okay, so what do we have here?
This is Mr. Robot the Second. He's our second version. Students can build him in about 38 hours. He's 5 foot 2 inches tall, weighs 38 pounds.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Usually students build him as an after-school project. He comes completely disassembled. But we use him to get kids excited about robotics and coding.
Okay.
He comes preloaded with a program that you can control him with a PS4 controller.
Oh, wow.
So something that kids are very familiar with, but then students can always alter his program or write their own program where they can use any of the buttons on the controller or any combination of buttons to control him. So with 16 different buttons plus the joystick, you get almost an infinite number of different functions and commands that you can program into him to execute.
Okay. We're here to help. Oh, wow. Oh, my God. I have a weird thing with robots. Like, at least the scary ones that look like the, what do you call it, the exterminator robots?
Yeah, the Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Yeah. Oh, that's neat. So many different functions.
Yeah.
How fast can it go? Like, what's the highest speed?
That's about as fast as he goes. We turned him down quite a bit because he can go a lot faster, but if you start wobbling back and forth, he tips over.
Oh,
so
okay.
We slowed him down so he won't tip over.
So what's the fastest that he's been programmed to go?
Probably a little bit faster than walking speed.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Cool. He's geared down right now, so if we were to gear him up, he would go about twice or maybe 3 times that speed right there.
Okay. Yeah, I'm definitely posting this on my YouTube page. Like, this is cool. Some STEM stuff.
Yeah?
For everybody to get into.
Are you a teacher or?
No, I'm not. But I know some teachers. I have an aunt who's a teacher. So I just kind of wanted to get people some exposure who probably aren't into or been like around up close and personal with this sort of thing. So I wanted to do that this year. Hey y'all, thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the flip side. Be well. Mwah.